Look at those dark storm clouds rolling in. Something big is brewing up there. To understand what's happening, we need to shrink down and look inside the cloud. Wow, it's total chaos in here. Millions of tiny ice crystals and water droplets are violently crashing into each other. The powerful updraft keeps pushing them up and down, creating a massive amount of friction. And thanks to that friction, static electricity starts to separate. The lighter ice crystals lose electrons and carry a positive charge to the top. Meanwhile, the heavier water droplets grab those electrons, becoming negatively charged and sinking to the bottom. Look at that! Now the cloud is like a giant battery with positives at the top and negatives at the bottom. As the bottom of the cloud gets packed with negative charges, the tension builds up right above our heads. It's getting incredibly crowded and unstable. Those negative charges are desperate to escape, but electricity needs two to tango. Down on the ground, the cloud's negative energy repels the Earth's negatives, leaving the surface highly positive. This is called electrostatic induction. And guess where those positive charges gather? On the highest, sharpest points. Suddenly, the cloud takes the first step. A stream of negative charges zigs and zags down toward the Earth. We call this the stepped leader. It's completely invisible to our eyes, branching out, actively searching for the easiest path to the ground. Feeling it coming, the positive charges on the ground can't wait. They reach up into the air, creating an upward streamer. They are inches apart, almost there. The invisible connection is about to snap together. Boom! The moment they meet, the circuit closes. This is the return stroke. A blinding surge of electricity shoots up from the ground to the cloud, lighting up the sky. In a fraction of a second, billions of volts course through the air. That is the lightning we see. This energy is insanely hot, about 30,000 degrees Celsius. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This extreme heat causes the surrounding air to expand violently and explode. That explosion is thunder, but why do we always see the flash before we hear the crash? It's a race of speed. Light travels at a mind-blowing 300,000 kilometers per second, while sound is a slowpoke, traveling at just 340 meters per second. So here's a trick. Count the seconds after the flash. Every 5 seconds equals about 1 mile or 1.6 kilometers away. Now, let's talk safety. Being the highest object around makes you a prime target. Avoid high mountain peaks and never hide under a lone tree. The lightning can jump from the tree directly to you. Super dangerous. The best place to be, inside a sturdy building or a car. Stay cozy and safe indoors. So remember, friction inside clouds, attraction on the ground, and zap. Thanks for watching. See you next time.